Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy, and welcome to Mariners Valley in Hawaii Kai. We've been in this valley before, but we haven't been in this part of it. This is just off Lunalilo Home Road and looking more toward town, toward the west. What is great about this valley is the variety of homes in here. There are many one-story homes, a number of two-story homes, and some brand new homes, because all of these homes were built between 1969 and 1972. So many have been remodeled and some have been replaced. What's going on right now? Well, there are two listings right now. One is right on this street we're on, which is Waioli Street, and it's a nice listing, kind of affordable, 1,298,000, and another in another part of this valley at just below 1.6 million. As always, we love to hear from you. Give us a call, 808-358-8828. Reach out on social media or our website, hawaiishome.com. And as always, aloha.